Good morning, little kids. I am Daljeet Kaur, class teacher of UKG. Today we will do the reading of two-letter words. A-N-N, A-N-N, A-S-S, A-S-S, A-T-at, A-T-at, B-E-B, B-E-B, B-Y by, B-Y by, D-O do, D-O do, G-O go, G-O go, H-E he, H-E he, H-I hi, H-I hi, I-F if, I-F if, I-N in, I-N in, M-E me, M-E me, M-Y my, M-Y my, N-O no, N-O no, O-F off, O-F off, O-R or, O-R or, O-N on, O-N on, S-O so, S-O so, T-O two, T-O two, U-S us, U-S us, U-P up, U-P up, W-E-V, W-E-V. Dear kids, these were some of the two-letter words. Okay, now you have to do the reading of these letters again. Okay, thank you. A very fresh good morning to my lovely kids. I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear kids, today is the turn of GK subject and the theme for the month of November and December is transports and our helpers. इस मंथ में हम क्या लर्न करेंगे? ट्रांसपोर्ट्स के बारे में और अवर हेल्पर्स जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं, वो पीपल जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. ओके, सो आवर टुडेज टॉपिक इज मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. The different modes of transportations can be classified into three categories: land transport, water transport. Firstly, let's learn three land transport. Car, C-A-R, car. Bus, B-U-S, bus. Train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Car, bus, train. Next is water transport. This is boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Second is ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Boat, ship. Last is air transports. Aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. helicopter. 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 2A transport are aeroplane, helicopter. Let's recap. Mode of transportation: land, water, air. Look at this chart. Land transport: car, bus, train. Water transport: ship, boat. Air transport: aeroplane, helicopter. Okay, I hope all of you enjoyed it. Now learn the mode of transportation. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. A very fresh good morning to my lovely kids. I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear kids, today is the turn of English subject and we will continue with our topic 3 and 4 letter words from letter S to letter V. In our last class, we have done from N to R. Now we will start from S. Let's start. S. 3 letter word from S is sun. ये क्या है? Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Next is ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Sun. Ship. This is T. Tap. ये क्या है? Tap. T-A-P. Tap. Next 4 letter word is tall, means lamba. T-A-L-L. Tall. Tap. Tall. Next U. 3 letter word from U is ये क्या है? Urn. U-R-N. Urn means surahi. Next 4 letter word is ugly. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. Urn. Ugly. Next is V. 3 letter word from V is van. This is van. V-A-N. Van. And 4 letter word from V is vast. V-A-S-T. Vast. Van. Vast. Let's recap once again. S. S-U-N. Sun. S-H-I-P. Ship. T. T-A-P. Tap. T-A-L-L. Tall. U. U-R-N. Urn. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. V. V-A-N. Van. V-A-S-T. Vast. Now I request the parents to help their ward in doing this work in their English notebook. Thank you. A very fresh good morning to my lovely kids. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing your work on regular basis. Dear kids, today is the turn of Hindi subject and our topic is चित्र देखकर शब्द लिखो of E की मात्रा. चलिए देखते हैं. चित्र देखकर शब्द लिखो ई की मात्रा. सबसे पहले देखिए ये क्या है? घड़ी. क्या है ये? घड़ी. अब बताइए मुझे सबसे पहले कौन सी साउंड आ रही है? घ. घ ड़. घ ड़ ई. घड़ी. घड़ी से घड़ी. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट ये क्या? सीटी. सीटी. स ई. सी ट ई टी. सी टी. सी टी. सीटी. गुड. ये क्या? हाथी. ह आ की मात्रा हा थी. थ ई. हाथी. हाथी. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट बकरी. क्या ये? बकरी. ब क बक बक र र ई बकरी पढ़िए बकरी बकरी गुड। ये क्या लड़की ल ड़ लड़ क ई की लड़की लड़की। लेट्स recap once again. घड़ी घड़ी सीटी सीटी हाथी हाथी बक रईरी बकरी लड़की लड़की। Now I request the parents to help their ward in doing this work in their Hindi notebook. Thank you. A very fresh good morning to my lovely kids. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today is the turn of math subject and we will continue with the topic missing numbers. You can see here are some of the numbers which are missing. Now we will complete this series. Okay, let's start. Now what is the first number? 15. Then what comes after 15? 16. 1 6 16. Then 17 is given to us. Now what comes after 17? 18. 1 8 18. Then next 19 is again given to us. What comes after 19? 2 0 20. Good. Next, coming on to second series, this is 33. 3 3 33. Now tell me what comes after 33? 3 4 34. Very good. Then after 34, 3 5 35. Good. Then again 36 and 37 is given to us. Now tell me what comes after 37? 37 के बाद क्या आता है? 3 8 38. Good. 33 34 35 36 37 and 38. Next, dash. And what is written after given after dash? That is 50. 50 50. Now tell me what comes before 50? 50 से पहले क्या आता है? 4 9 49. What comes before 50? 4 9 49. 49 50 51. Then what comes after 51? 52. Very good. Then 53 is given to us. Now what comes after 53? 54. Very good. 54. 49 50 51 52 53 and 54. Next, 70 70. What comes after 70? 71. 71 71. Good. Then 72 is again given to us. Now tell me what comes in between 72 and 74. इसके बीच में क्या आता है? 7 3 73. Speak out. 7 3 73. 74 and 75. 70 71 72 73 74 and 75. I hope all of you enjoyed it. सबको बहुत मजा आया. Now do this work in your maths notebook and send me your pics. Okay? Thank you. Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear kids, today is the turn of English subject and our new topic is 3 and 4 letters word of letter N to letter R. As you all know, we had already done the 3 and 4 letter words from letter A to letter M. So today we will start from letter N. So let's start. N. What is this? Net. N-E-T. Net. This is nest. That is N-E-S-T. Nest. Net. nest. Next, O. What is this? Owl. O-W-L. Owl. This is oven. O-V-E-N. Oven. You can see owl is of 3-letter word and oven is of 4-letter word. Next, P. This is pen. P-E-N. Pen. This color is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pen. Pink. Q. This is quet. These are the leaves named as quet. Q-A-T. Quet. 4-letter word is quit. Quit means to leave. Q-U-I-T. Quit. Speak out. Quit. Quit. Very good. Next, R. This is rat. R-A-T. Rat. This is rose. R for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Rat. Rose. Let's recap once again. N. N-E-T. Net. N-E-S-T. Nest. Very good. Next, O. O-W-L. Owl. O-V-E-N. Oven. Now your turn. Good. Next, P. P-E-N. Pen. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pen. Pink. Next, Q. Q-E-T. Quit. Q-U-I-T. Quit. 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 R. R-A-T. Rat. R-O-S-E. Rose. Rat. Rose. Now I request the parents to help their ward in reading these words once again. Thank you. A very fresh good morning to my lovely kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today is the turn of GK subject and we will learn the name of animals which give us milk. हम कौन से एनिमल्स के नेम लर्न करेंगे? हम वो एनिमल्स के नेम लर्न करेंगे जो हमें क्या देते हैं? मिल्क. आप सब मिल्क पीते हो? Yes. Now let's see. First, cow. All of you know what is this? This is cow. C-O-W. C-O-W. Cow. This is buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Speak out with me. Buffalo. Next, this is goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. गोट से भी हमें मिल्क मिलता है. नेक्स्ट, शिप. S-H-E-E-P. शिप. शिप से भी हमें क्या मिलता है? मिल्क. कैमल. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Now let's recap once again. We will learn the animals which give us milk. First, C-O-W. Cow. B-U-F-F. B-A-L-O. Buffalo. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Speak out. Cow. Buffalo. Goat. Sheep. Camel. Now learn the name of these 5 animals which give us milk. Okay? I'll ask you in your coming Zoom class. Thank you. Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today is the turn of math subject and our topic is revision of what comes after. We have already started this topic in our Zoom class. Let's do one more worksheet. You can see this is a worksheet of what comes after. So, सबसे पहले क्या लिखा है? 12. 1 to 12. What comes after 12? 13. 1 3. 13. Next 22. That is 2 to 22. What comes after 22? 22 के बाद क्या आता है? 23. Good. Next 3 4 34. 34 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 34? 3 5 35. Next 4 5 45. What comes after 45? जब आप काउंटिंग करते हो 45 के बाद क्या आता है? 4 6 46. Next 1 9 19. What comes after 19? 2 0 20. Good. Next 3 8 38. अब आप बताइए 38 के बाद क्या आता है? 3 9 39. Speak out. 3 9 39. Next 2 7 27. What comes after 27? 2 8 28. Next 15. What comes after 15? 1 6 16. Now tell me what comes after 8? 8 के बाद क्या आता है? All of you know what comes after 8? 9. Good. The last is 24. Now tell me what comes after 24? 2 5 25. Speak out. 2 5 25. So kids, आज हमने क्या लर्न किया? What comes after. Now do this worksheet in your maths notebook and send me your pics, okay? Thank you. Good morning, little kids. I am Diljit Kaur, class teacher of UKG. Today we'll do English subject as we have already done the reading of 2-letter words. Yes, so today we'll write the 2-letter words in our notebook. Okay? Okay. Now, what is this? Yes, these are flowers. Yes, and this is grass. What is written here? 2 letters word. Okay? Now, these are some of the flowers. Okay? And these are the leaves. This is the leaf of this flower. This is the leaf of this, and so on. Okay? Now, what is this? A. What is this? A. Tell me 2-letter word from A. A-N. An. Very good. Now I will write here A-N. A-N. An. What is this? A-N. An. Now. Good morning, little kids. I am Diljit Kaur, class teacher of UKG. Today we'll do English subject and our topic is 2 letters word. As we have already done 2-letter words from A to letter I, right? So today we'll start from letter M. What is this? M. What is this? M. Tell me two-letter word from M. Yes, tell me. Very good. Me. Me. M. E. Me. 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 Now, what is this? Me मतलब मुझे. Me मतलब मुझे. Now, N. Tell me two-letter word from N. No. 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 No means nahi. No means nahi. Okay, now, what is this? O. What is this? O. Tell me two-letter word from O. Yes, right. On. 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 On means per. Suppose, for example, the book is on the table. Book table पर है. पर मतलब on. Okay. Now what is this? S. What is this? S. Tell me two-letter word from S. Yes. S-O. So. S-O. So. So means इसलिए. So means इसलिए. Okay. Now what is this? T. What is this? T. T-O. Two. T-O. Two. Two means तक. जैसे अ से गया तक. Okay. ऐसे write counting from 1 to 20. 1 to 20. Right? 2 मतलब तक. Okay. Now what is this? W. What is this? W. Now tell me two-letter word from W. Yes. W-E-V. W-E-V. V means hum. Okay. V means hum. You have to write this like this only in cursive, joining cursive letters. You can see these are the cursive and these are joining to each other. Join to each other. So these are the cursive joining letters. Okay. Now do this in your notebook. Learn it again and again. Okay. Thank you. Good morning, little kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll do math subject and our topic is dowsing lines. Do you know what is dowsing? Dowsing means to fill the missing numbers in the line. Okay. You can see what is written here. 1 1 11 and what is this? 3 1 31. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to fill this whole line from 1 1 11 to 2 0 20 and from 3 1 31 to 4 0 40. So let's start. What is this? This is 1 1 11. What is this? 1 1 11. What comes after 11? Very good. 1 2 12. What comes after 11? 1 2 12. What comes after 12? 1 3 13. What comes after 13? 1 4 14. What comes after 14? Very good. 1 5 15. What comes after 15? 1 6 16. What comes after 16? 1 7 17. What comes after 17? 1 8 18. What comes after 18? 1 9 19. And what comes after 19? 2 0 20. You can see we have completed the whole line from 1 1 11 to 2 0 20. Okay. Now same as like this we have to complete this line also. What is 3 1 31? What comes after 31? 3 2 32. Then 3 3 33. What comes after 33? 3 4 34. What comes after 34? Yes, 3, 5, 35. What comes after 35? 3, 6, 36. Then what comes after 36? 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. What comes after 39? Yes, 4, 0, 40. What is this? These are the dodging lines. We have completed the two dodging lines of 11 and of 31. Very simple now. Yes, you have to simply write the counting from 1111 to 2020 and from 3131 to 4040. These are known as dodging lines. Got it? Yes, do this dodging lines in your notebook. Okay? Okay, thank you. Good morning, little kids. I am Daljit Kaur, class teacher of UKG. Today we'll do art subject. For that you can open your book Art with Fun, page number 1515. Today we'll make a puppy face. This is a craft work and we will make a puppy face. For that you require a square sheet paper, colored paper, any color. This is a square sheet. You can see square sheet means which is equal from its four sides. Okay? Square sheet. This is a square sheet paper and a marker or a black color, anything. Okay? What we have to do, first of all, take this paper like this. We can see like this. Now, second step. This is the first step, second step. Fold this paper like this. Fold the right and left corner downwards along the dotted line. These are the dotted lines. Now, we will fold the paper like this. Done? This is the second step. Okay? Now, third step. To give the shape to the face, fold as indicated the lower middle tip down backward. Like this. We'll fold like this to make the ear of the puppy. Like this and like this. We'll get the shape of the face. Yes. Now, last step. Fourth step is to fold the paper to make the nose and mouth of the puppy. Like this. First step, take a paper like this. Second step, fold the paper like this from upper to downward like this. Third step, fold the paper from here to make the ear of the puppy. And last step is to fold the paper to the upward to make the mouth of the puppy. Now we'll make the eyes of the puppy. Like this. These are the eyes of the puppy, and now we'll make the nose and mouth. Like this. And here we go. This is the puppy. I hope you all enjoyed this. Now try to make it. Thank you. Good morning, little kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, today we'll do English subject. And our topic is 3 and 4 letter words. As we have already done 3 and 4 letter words from letter A to letter E. So today we'll do from letter F to letter I. So here we go. Now what is this? F. Now what is this? F. What is this? F. Tell me 3 letter word from F. What is this? Yes, fan. What is this? Fan. F E N. F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Now we'll write 4-letter word from F. What is this? Yes, what is this? Fish. F I S H. F I S H. Fish. F I S H. Fish. Now, what is this? G. What is this? G. Tell me 3-letter word from G. What is this? Gun. 3-letter word from G is gun. G U N. G U N. Gun. Now we'll write 4-letter word. What is this? Girl. What is this? Girl. G I R L. Girl. What is this? H. What is this? H. What is this? Hen. 3-letter word from H is H E N. H E N. Hen. H E N. Hen. And 4-letter word from H. What is this? Yes, this is home. What is this? Home. H O M E. Home. H O M E. Home. Now, what is this? I. What is this? I. 3-letter word from I. Ink. 3-letter word from I is ink. I N K. I N K. Ink. 3-letter word from I is ink. Now, what is this? Iron. What is this? Iron. 4-letter word from I is I R O N. Iron. I R O N. Iron. Let's revise once again. F. F A N. Fan. F I S H. Fish. G. G U N. Gun. G I R L. H. H E N. Hen. H O M E. Home. I. I N K. Ink. I R O N. Iron. Okay, now do these words in your notebook and learn it. Thank you. Good morning, little kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we'll do English subject and our topic is 3 and 4 letters word. Today we'll do from letter G to letter M. Okay, now first of all tell me what is this? What is this? J. What is this? J. Tell me 3-letter word from J. Yes. J U G. J U G. Jug. J U G. Jug. Now what is this? Yes. What is this? Jeep. Tell me the spelling of Jeep. Yes. J double E P. Jeep. J E E P. Now what is this? K. What is this? K. K stands for key. What is this? Key. K E Y. Key. K stands for key. K also stands for Yes. What is this? Kite. K I T E. Kite. K I T E. Kite. Now, what is this? L. What is this? L. Tell me three-letter word from L. Yes. What is this? Log. Yes. L. What is this? L O G. Log. Now, four-letter word from L. Yes. What is this? Lion. L I O N. Lion. What is this? Lion. Now, what is this? M. What is this? M. Tell me three-letter word from M. What is this? Mat. What is this? Mat. M stands for mat. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Now, four-letter word from M is, what is this? Yes, moon. What is this? Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Now, let's revise once again. J. J-U-G. Jug. J-E-E-P. Jeep. K. K-E-Y. K. K-I-T-E. Kite. L. L-O-G. Log. L-I-O-N. Lion. M. M-A-T. Mat. M-O-O-N. Moon. Now do these words in your notebook. Okay? Thank you. Good morning, little kids. How are you? I hope you all are enjoying your summer break. Okay, now today we'll do craft work. We'll make a mini paper bag. School bag? Yes. So here we go. You all need is colored paper, Fevicol, marker and a scissor. Now let's start. First of all, cut the paper in rectangular shape. While cutting the paper, always take the help of your elders. Okay? Now we will fold the paper. First of all, fold the paper to the upward like this. अब आप ऊपर से उसे फोल्ड कीजिए. Now make folds like this. Take a square paper, fold like this. आप ऐसे फोल्ड कीजिए, पहले ऊपर से, then down, then up. Okay? As you can see, I am doing. We'll make two folds. Okay? Now we will paste this fold. Take the Fevicol and put it on the first end like this. Paste it on the back. Paste it on the one side like this. Now take the Fevicol and put it on the another fold and paste on the other side. Now put some of the Fevicol and paste the bag like this. As you can see, you'll get the bag like this. Now we will make these strips of the bag. For that you need two strips, any color. आप किसी भी कलर की दो strips ले सकते हैं. Put some of the Fevicol on the one end and paste it on the bag. Now put the Fevicol on the another end and again paste it. ऐसे ही हम इस पे करेंगे। सो यू कैन सी हमारी दोनों स्ट्रिप्स बैग की रेडी हो गई हैं। यू कैन सी हमारे बैग की दोनों स्ट्रिप्स ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो गई हैं। वाइल डूइंग सो यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर मदर। नाउ विल पेस्ट अ स्मॉल स्ट्रिप। For that you need a small strip. Put the Fevicol on both the ends and paste it on the bag. So our half of the bag is ready. Now we'll make the buttons of the bag. Put the Fevicol on the button and paste it on the upper fold like this. Now paste the another button. As you can see हमारे बटन भी लग गए. Now we'll do some decoration on the bag with the help of marker. You can take any color, okay? We will make the eyes of the bag. Like this. Make a small nose. Yes. So here our mini school bag is ready. You can put small things in this, okay? Now make this bag and send with the pics. Okay? Bye bye. Good morning, little kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing well and had a great time with your family in this summer break. Okay, so again we are back on the online mode of classes after this long summer break. Today we will do the recapitulation of the 2 letters word in our English subject. So let's start. Okay, you can see some of the letters are given over here. We are going to make 2 letter words. Okay, so I hope आप सबने याद कर लिए होंगे. Yes, very good. So tell me, what is this? What is this? B. What is this? B. Make 2 letter word from B. Yes, very good. B E B. B E B. Now what is this? G. What is this? G. Tell me 2 letter word from G. Yes. G O. Go. Go means jana. Yeah, jao. Okay. Now what is this? I. What is this? I. Tell me 2 letter word from I. Yes. In. I N. In. I N. In. In means under. In means under. Now what is this? A. What is this? A. A N. N. A N. N. What is this? D. What is this? D. D means, tell me 2 letter word from D. D O. Do. D O. Do. Do means karna. Okay. Now let's revise once again. B. B E B. G. G O. Go. I N. In. A. A N N. D. D O. Do. Now do this work in your notebook. Okay? And send me the pics. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we'll do English subject. This is the recapitulation of the taught topic, that is 3 and 4 letters word. I hope आप सबने लर्न कर लिए होंगे. Very good. So let's start. Okay, now tell me what is this? D. What is this? D. Tell me 3-letter word from D. Yes, D-O-G, dog. How will write? You have to write in cursive handwriting, okay? Joining cursive letters. D-O-G, dog. What is this? D-O-G, dog. Now tell me 4-letter word from D. Yes, duck. D-U-C-K. What is this? D-U-C-K, duck. Now, what is this? B. What is this? B. Tell me 2-letter word from B. Now, what is this? B. Tell me 3-letter word from B. Yes. B. A. T. B-A-T, bat. Now, tell me 4-letter word from B. Yes, ball. B-A-double-L. B-A-double-L, ball. Now, what is this? M. What is this? M. Tell me 3-letter word from M. Yes, M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Now we'll write 4-letter word from M. That is M-O-O-N. M-O-O-N, moon. Now what is this? C. What is this? C. Tell me 3-letter word from C. Yes, C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Now tell me 4-letter word from C. Very good. C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Now what is this? F. What is this? F. Now we'll make 3-letter word from F. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Now tell me 4-letter word from F. Yes, F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Now what is this? G. What is this? G. Tell me 3-letter word from G. G-U-N, gun. And now tell me 4-letter word from G. Yes, G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Now do this work in your notebook and send me the pics, okay? Thank you. Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we'll do GK subject and the theme of the month is fruits and vegetables. Do you know which is the national fruit of India? Okay, I'll tell you. Mango is the national fruit of India. Now let's see few easy and simple lines on mango. First, mango is the national fruit of India, as I told you. Let's repeat once again. Mango is the national fruit of India. Second, मैंगो इज़ द किंग ऑफ ऑल। मैंगो सारे फ्रूट्स का किंग होता है, इसे फलों का राजा भी कहते हैं। थर्ड, मैंगो कम्स इन समर। मैंगोज कब आते हैं? समर में। अब आप मैंगोज खाते हो Yes, this is a summer season. Fourth, mango comes in different shapes and sizes. Mango different shapes के होते हैं और इनका size भी different होता है according to the variety. Fifth, mango is green or yellow in color. You have seen कुछ mango green color के होते हैं and some are of yellow in color. Sixth, mango is very good for our health. All of you know mango is very good for our health. Next, mango is full of potassium and minerals. Now we'll draw this mango in 3 easy and simple steps. So let's start. First of all, make a 5 like this. आप सबको 5 बनाना आता है? Yes, make 5 like this. Now we'll make a curve to give the shape to the mango. Like this. Then go upward and make a curve here and come down like this. Now we'll make second step. We'll make the stem of the mango. You can see this is a very easy way. Now we'll color it. We'll color the stem with the green color and we'll color the mango with yellow and orange color. First of all, we'll color with yellow color. Color it very carefully. Now the upward portion will cover with orange color. You can see. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Yes, this is a very simple mango. Now draw this mango in your drawing sheet and send me the pics, okay? So what we learned today? We learned that mango is the national fruit of India. Okay? Thank you. A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay. Today we are going to do math subject and our topic is missing numbers. So let's know the concept of missing numbers. You can see how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers are there? 4. But if I remove the flower number 3. Now let's see. 1, 2. Is there any number? No. 4. Which number is missing from here? 3. Which number is missing? 3. So this is missing numbers. What is this? Missing numbers. The concept is clear to all. Okay. Now let's do this worksheet. What is this? Missing numbers. M-I-S-S-I-N-G. Missing. Missing. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. So missing numbers. You can see I have written some of the numbers but some are missing. Like this. So these are the numbers which we are going to fill in these blanks. Okay. Now let's see. What is this? 1. What comes after 1? Is there any digit? No. So what is this? 3. What comes after 1? 5? No. 10? No. What comes after 1? 2. Very good. What comes after 1? 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Is there any number? No. What comes after 4? 5? Yes. Very good. What comes after 4? 5. Now 6. Again no number. Then 8. What comes before 8? Tell me what comes before 8? Very good. What comes before 8? 7. 7, 8, 9. Again there is no number. Now we'll fill this number. Okay. What comes after 9? 10. What comes after 9? 10. So, let's revise once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can see we have filled all the blanks, right? So, we have done the counting from 1 to 10. Okay, we have started from the very basic numbers. Okay, now do this worksheet in your notebooks and send me the pics. Okay, and do it yourself. Bye bye. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all had a great weekend. Okay, today I'm going to introduce you a new topic, that is this and that. Let's start. When we have a singular person, place or thing near to us, we use this. And when a singular person, place or thing is far away from us, we use the word that. Okay, it means the relationship of this is with the things which are near to us. Okay, and the relationship of that is with the things that are far away from us. Now let's see few examples. This is a girl named as Tina. This apple is near to the girl. Yes, so we'll use this. And the second apple, you can see this apple is far away from the girl. So we are going to use that. Now let's see second example. What is this? Ball. This is a ball. This ball is near to the Tina. So we'll use this. And the second ball is far away from Tina. You can see there is a big arrow. So we'll use that. Next. What is this? This is a doll. This doll is near to Tina. So what we'll use? This. Very good. And the second doll is far away from Tina. So what we'll use? That. Again. What is this? Balloon. What is this? Balloon. This balloon is near to Tina. We'll use this. Very good. And the second balloon is far away from Tina. So what we are going to use? We'll use that, because this is far away. Now let's recap once again. A singular person, place or thing which is near to us, use this. And the things which are far away from us, for that we'll use that. Okay, dear kids, these were few examples of this and that. In our next class we will make sentences of this and that. Okay, bye bye.